Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Electrify America for session start step by step clearly. Begin by locating the Electrify America app on your smartphone. Open the app to access the main menu. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Log into your Electrify America account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the charging section. Find a nearby charging station using the map feature. Select the desired charging station from the list. Check the availability of charging ports at this location. Choose the appropriate charging port you wish to use. Tap on the Start Session button. You may be prompted to authorize the session. Confirm your payment method if necessary. Enter any required information to complete authentication. Wait for the app to process your request. Once authenticated, you will receive a confirmation message. Proceed to the charging station and connect your vehicle. Follow any additional instructions displayed on the charger. Monitor the charging progress through the app. Ensure to safely disconnect your vehicle once charging is complete. You are now ready to power up with Electrify America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.